This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a near loop, south loop location just west of Grant Park to meet Andrew for a walk through a one-bedroom model at the new full-amenity 1001 South State apartment tower.
Welcome to 1001 South State, and today here we are touring our one-bedroom model on the southwest corner of the building. Through our gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows, you can see for miles. This sunny, spacious apartment features a complete breakfast bar and gorgeous stainless steel appliances throughout the kitchen. The stove is a gas stove, and even our model apartment has a stocked fridge. The bathroom has our glass enclosure shower complete with terrazzo shower basin, soft closed toilet seat, and significant storage behind the vanity and mirrors. All closets in the apartment have full wood build-outs, and every apartment in the building has a large stacked washer-dryer. The bedroom also features those floor-to-ceiling windows with the westerly view and the roller shades of the highest quality. And here you can see the wood build-outs in the bedroom closet as well. This is a lovely apartment to call home and a great place to wake up every morning. Thank you for touring with us today.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.